Milo, what are you doing? Eat this chicken. Oh no, he's sleeping. Milo, oh no. Oh no. Milo, eat this chicken. Are you sleeping? Hi. Oh no, he fell asleep. Milo. Okay, no more. I'm gonna call daddy. Lavi? Eat this. Eat it. Eat it. Lavi? What are you doing? Hi. Eat it. I? Lavi? What? You're not sleepy. Lavi! What are you doing? Eat this chicken right now. Lavi, look. I'm giving him chicken, but he's super sleepy. Look, he just fell asleep. We're just talking.